60 seconds with Femi correct Pigianis. Now we they do. Many people don't complain, say this weekend, buddy. No fear, no sigh, because today, correct match we'll go see for FA Cup. Chelsea versus Manchester United. And for these two teams, many people don't they talk say no be better time for the two of them. Because for Man United, we know as PSG take knock them for the UEFA Champions League. For Chelsea themselves, we know say they win their match for Europa League, but many people say that one no be correct match. Say Chelsea still they try find way, may they recover from that knocking where Manchester City knocked them. So these two teams be like teams where they recover. Then for Manchester United self, 22 times where they don't play away match for Stamford Bridge for every competition. Now only 2 times they don't win. So Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, maybe the coach of Man United, he go they look to try see how he go take do this one, this kind of magic where Man United go feel win for Chelsea. For Chelsea, we don't confirm say all their squad there, everybody just do all right and chill out and they wait for Manchester United. And Man United, we hear say Lingard and Anthony Martial, they are two no travel for this one. So who you think say go win this match? Chelsea versus Manchester United.